Hey everyone and welcome. So if you have physical or virtual Cash App Visa card and you want to use it as payment method inside Venmo, linking it takes less than 2 minutes. I'm going to show you step by step. Let's begin. So just grab your Cash App card details so you have them ready to enter. Open Cash App, tap the card tab. If you don't have your physical card on hand, tap the eye icon underneath your card and preview to reveal your full 16-digit card number, expiration date, and of course CVV from the back, and keep this screen handy. And now let me show you where to enter those card details directly into your Venmo account. So just open up Venmo and tap the Me tab in the bottom right corner. Then scroll down to the Wallet section and tap Add a Bank Card. Select card from the payment options right here. Then type in your 16-digit Cash App card number right here in the top, expiration date, security code, and zip code as well on the bottom. And then you just press Add. Right, after that, pro tip, remember that your Cash App card acts like a standard Visa debit card on Venmo. So when you send money or pay a friend through Venmo using this card, the funds will be pulled directly from your Cash App balance. Just make sure you have enough cash sitting in your Cash App account before hitting send so the transfer clears smoothly without issues. That is it. Hopefully this helped. Enjoy.